Hi guys, what's up? Now to the marks current affair 2020 IAS. अब तो पढ़ लो गधों, पढ़ लो यार. कभी वायरस शरीर में आएगा, कभी दिमाग में आएगा, कभी कंप्यूटर में आएगा. You have to study more. There is nothing is delay, everything is on time. So first topic we will discuss here. First topic is PM Care Fund. PM Prime Minister's Citizen Assistance and Relief in Emergency Situation Fund. Okay, the fund is public charitable trust in PM as its chairman. Other member is Defense Minister and other one is Finance Minister. Okay, so this fund is directly go to the CSR expenditure, corporate social responsibility. Then what is the corporate social responsibility here? This is if अगर कोई बड़ी कंपनी है जिसका टर्नओवर 500 करोड़ एंड मोर देन है, then 2% of the profit will go to corporate social responsibility expenditure. So under the CSR, that's construction of the toilet in village school, then given the skill training to the school child, and to distribute the laptop, to distribute the cycles. All these things will come under the corporate social responsibility. Okay, so what is actually the difference between the PM Care Fund and PM National Relief Fund? Okay, now in PM Care Fund, minimum amount is 10 rupees. You can contribute 10 rupees to the PM Care Fund. But in PM NRF, you should contribute 100 rupees. Okay, then both should be not under the budgetary. Okay, it will not get any budgetary support. Okay, both. So, and also in both case 100% deduction from taxable income. In this you can see here, this is where is this 80G, 100% deduction from taxable income, does not get any budgetary support. Alright, then Prime Minister Modi announced the formation of PM Care for this COVID-19 to India's war against COVID-19. Similarly, at the time of 1984, Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru to assist displaced person from the Pakistan, that's organized at PMNRF. Okay, the fund is also for medical treatment like kidney transplant, cancer treatment and acid attack also. The fund consists entirely of public contribution and does not get any budgetary support. It accepts voluntary contribution from the individual, organization, trust, companies and institution. Okay, then also we can say here, this is that one. That is PM Care is the micro donation fund. Okay, here the multiple members and PM NRF, if to want to contribute to any situation in any calamity, the fund, it should first approval from the Prime Minister. Okay, now next is COVID-19 testing method. Okay, समझो इसको, this is very important thing. First is antibody testing, that is also called serological test method. Okay, suppose one government person came to me and told me, but want to check what you are corona positive or not. Okay, then it will take the sample from me first, and then it will check the immunity level in the body. Okay, if immunity level is high in the body, means antibodies is more. That antibodies is fight against the virus. Okay, so this antibody testing method, this is very long testing method. Minimum 9 to 15 days is required. So that's why government of India for that one say many times इसको quarantine करो, इसको quarantine करो. It's 14 days quarantine. Through this community spreading also possible. That's why this method is not that much useful. Then that method also going on because of many people want to test it here. So other is RT-PCR, reverse transcription polymer chain reaction. Okay, what is reverse transcription? Okay, this virus have RNA virus. So first of all, it convert to DNA virus. Okay, then DNA virus is the self-duplicated and self-replicate. So that's why here name is reverse transcription, that RNA convert to DNA, then GNA sequencing method is used here. Then put 2 in the PRS, polymer chain reactions. Put the sample into the polymer chain reactions. Okay, so here first that RT-PCR is that very costly testing method. Near about 4,500 rupees is required. Then also a skilled person is required for this testing. Okay, one more thing is antibody testing is two terms you can see, that is IgM and IgG. IgM and IgG. Okay, this is the immunoglobulin M and immunoglobulin G. This is antibody result, two kind of antibody results. Okay, in response to an infection, the IgM is first produced within a week of infection. This method, antibodies method. Okay, then the 2 weeks later, the level of IgM reduced and are replaced to IgG. This one is replaced to IgG. So that's why this is the longer lasting antibodies, and depending on the infection agent involved can offer different duration of immunity. So that's why herd immunity, the degree of herd immunity to find and testing in these things. Okay, now third one is pool testing. In pool testing, that this pool testing is approved by the ICMR in India. In this, there are multiple samples put together in the PCR. Then this it will check if this is only for 5 and not more than 5 samples. Okay, so this from the PCR. If the samples, total 5 samples, multiple this come to negative, then we can say all the 5 is the negative. If samples come to the positive, then we will check individually in this pool testing. This is also very useful testing. Okay, now otherwise paper based strip testing. This is a very cheap method of testing in India. This is IGIB. This is developed by the IGIB. Is one doctor, Mr. Chatterjee, and one doctor is other also. This is like just CRISPR-Cas gene editing method. This is working on the genome sequencing method. Okay, just a strip is used here. Okay, so this is very important to measure here COVID-19 testing method. Now other one is ASF, African fever. This is the African fever here. So swine fever, African swine fever here we can say. It's a highly contagious fatal animal disease. This only spread animal to animal. Multiple number of pigs died in the Assam due to this swine fever. 2,800 pigs died in the Assam since February due to the African swine fever. Stage epicenter of the ASF. Okay, this is not spread in that one human. It's only transmitted from animal to animal. Okay, so next topic is Atul. Okay, now this is developed by the Defense Institute and Advanced Technology. DITE Pune has developed it. Microwave sterilizer to kill the coronavirus. Okay, this is used only for non-metallic object, not for metallic object. This weighing is 3 kg only. This is a micro sterilizer can be operated in portable or fixed installation and help in disintegrating the virus by differential heating in range of 56 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius temperature. Okay, so remember here this is only for non-metallic object, not for metallic object. Okay, now is the next topic is tropical cyclones. This is also called typhoons and hurricanes. So the name of Indians, and we just remember these, just ask in question likely what these things. Okay, so remember Gati, Tej, Murasu, Aag, Vyam, Jar, Prabaho, Neer, Pravanjam, Gorani, Ambud, Jaladi, and Bega. Okay, so this is the tropical cyclones in India, including in India. Okay, then the hurricanes occur in Atlantic Ocean and the eastern North Pacific Ocean. Remember this, where hurricanes will occur. Tufans occur in the western Pacific Ocean, tropical cyclones occur in the South Pacific Ocean and Indian Ocean. So here remember this IMD, Indian Meteorological Department was established in 1875, its headquarters in Calcutta first, then shifted to Simla, then shifted to Pune, then finally in Delhi. Remember these things, okay? So 2019 and 20 cyclone occur at the Indian coast, then Fani and the Pavan, Vayu, Pavok, Hikka, Makanu, Bulbul, Kyar and Mahi. Remember these things. Yeah, other things we can worldwide there are the 6 regional specialized meteorological center and 5 regional tropical cyclone warning center which issue advisory and the name of tropical cyclone. ये डिसाइड करते हैं कि भाई कौन ट्रॉपिकल साइक्लोन है, किसको क्या नाम देना है, कौन से इंडियन ओशियन में क्या नाम देना है, पैसिफिक में क्या देना है और वेस्टर्न पैसिफिक में क्या देना है. Okay, now next question is stormquake. Stormquake is nothing but that is a hurricane's trigger seismic episodic that can rumble for hours or even days. Okay, powerful storms into the power of a hurricane triggering seismic episode. Okay, the stormquake frequently occur in the maritime world, Labrador Sea, that is in the North American margin. Limited place, generally limited place पे ही आता है stormquake. Okay, so remember where this happened is Labrador Sea maritime. The other is 100 Spring Initiative. This initiative for tribal peoples, because 100 Spring Initiative aim to improve the access to safe and adequate water for tribal community living in difficult and inaccessible part of rural areas in the country. It will help in harnessing the potential of perennial springs water to address the natural scarcity of the water in the tribal area. Nothing but just 100 Spring Initiative for what? Tribals people, for what? Scarcity of water, to fulfill the water requirement in the tribal areas. Now next group is Chalukya. Why this is in news is Chalukya? The graves of Chalukya rulers found in the Karnataka. One village name what is named as Holegi Manakalo Kola. Whereas believe that 11 small temple are there, believe that finally resting place of the royal family. Okay, so this is what Chalukya dynasty was established by Pulkesin I. Remember this one. Okay, then what is the capital of this Pulkesin? That is Batapi. That's modern Badami in the Bagalkot district in Karnataka under control and made it its capital. Pulkesin I and also Pulkesin II, also the famous full ruler of the Chalukya dynasty. This is famous because of gigantic temple buildings work has been done. That's Aihole inscriptions, Badami, Patadkol and Bangkok. Then different type of architecture happened in these places. Like Chalukya architecture, Karnataka, Dravidian architecture, Besara, both Nagara and other one also, both mixture of the Besara. So Colombia, that is he features pillared veranda. Let's remember columned hole, sanctum cut or deep into the rock. And this temple is famous here in this Patadkar Temple, Virupaksi Temple, Papanath Temple, Mallikarjun Temple, Sangameswar Temple, Ahivale Temple, like Lalkhan Temple, Durga Temple, Suryanarayan Temple, Ravanphadi Temple. This is important things today, guys. So remember everything. It's to the marks. 0.4 IS 2020. So पढ़ते रहो बढ़ते रहो. Thank you guys.